And today, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their PS2200. This is a 1 terabyte portable solid state drive that can work with an Android phone, an iPhone 15 or later, a PC, a Mac, etc. It is a magnetic and portable USB-C type 1 terabyte SSD. Not much around the box. You can see some of the specifications here on the back. We'll go through more of those in a moment. But in this nice little sleeve, oh, look at that. It's so small. Oh, yes. So, as you can see, this is the PS2200. And you may notice right here, it says 20 gigabits per second. Now, you can see here on the back, this is the magnetic for MagSafe for like on an iPhone. And that's basically what this looks like. Now, also down in here, pop this out, got a little carrying case. Then it includes 2 cables that it looks like are even rated for the correct speeds. So the regular USB-A here to USB-C would be rated at 10 gigabits per second. That would be the max that a USB 3 outlet like this could do, but that cable is included. So of course you can just plug this right into here, and then this will plug right into your Windows computer, and boom, you've got an external drive. Now this is the one that most people would need, whether you have a new MacBook, a new Mac, you have the newest iPhone, whatever you have, mostly everything is now USB-C, which can transfer it up to 20 gigs per second. And so they include that little cable for you as well. Got to love it. Now, there's also these little magnetic holders that you can stick onto your phone if needed. And then lastly, there's always some pamphlets. Now, this does support 4K Pro resolution from your iPhone. It uses N52 high-powered magnets on the back. It has a read speed of up to 2,050 megabytes per second and a write speed of up to 1,800 megabytes per second. There is 3 types of LEDs when you plug it in. So there's a flowing light effect, a water drop light effect, and a colorful light effect. And for those of you wondering, when you plug it into something, that's what the little RGBs look like there. I think that's pretty freaking cool. And of course, when you tap it, it just kind of goes through whichever mode you want. And as you can see, I mean, it fits in the palm of my hand. This is a very, very small, portable, solid state drive that's good for your Windows computer, your Android phone, your iPhone, whatever. And this casing is also aluminum. Gotta love it. So that'll do it for this unboxing of this 1 terabyte portable solid state drive, the PS2200. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.